Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix PDF files open in Edge browser instead of Adobe Reader or any other browser or any other software. This is a very simple video, so let's go to our video. On desktop, I have PDF file. Go to your PDF file, right click on your PDF file, open it, open your PDF file, and here is our problem. Our PDF files is opening in the Edge browser. This is our problem and we are going to solve this problem. First, close it. Go to your PDF file. Go to any PDF file that you like. Right click on it. Click on the properties. Click on the properties. In properties, here is our problem. Open with Microsoft Edge or any other browser or any other software. Then go to here change. Click on the change. In change, here we find many options. If you want to Adobe Acrobat or Reader or DC or any other software, then select your software or any other browser. I select Acrobat Reader or DC. Click at here, select this, click on set as default, then click on the apply, click on OK. Now double click on your PDF file once again, and this time we can see our PDF file is opening in the Adobe Reader or the Adobe DC. This is our goal and it's done perfectly. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.